friends, Christina here from the Raspberry Pi Foundation. Thank you so much for joining us this week for Digital Making at Home. I'm here in my home where I'm staying safe, and I'm also trying to stay entertained. So I have been doing some coloring, I have been playing games, playing board games, and that's what this week is about. We are going to create this entertainment, us, the digital makers. We are going to program some adventure games. We are going to color with code, and we've got some awesome code along videos to help you get started, all in Scratch in honor of Scratch Month. This week, you can create a memory game with Mr. C to challenge your friends. I'll show you how to program an adventure game world with players and hidden treasure for friends and family to find. And Mark will show you how to code a coloring book that you can share with friends and family. This week, we'll also have a live coding session on Wednesday, and we'd love to see you there. Head on over to rpf.io/home to learn more. I can't wait to see what you create this week.